Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add clickable links to your Figma files. This is an essential little trick that can really boost your workflow, whether you're sharing resources with your team, linking to external docs, or just organizing your design system. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your Figma projects even more interactive and informative, so let's dive right in. To start off, you'll want to create a text element in your Figma file. This really is as simple as grabbing the text tool. You can either press the T key as a shortcut or select the text icon from the toolbar on the left. Just click anywhere on your canvas and start typing. For example, you might want to type "visit our website" or "check the brand guidelines." The important thing here is to keep your text clear and descriptive, so when someone sees it later, they know exactly what they're clicking on. Think of this text box as your inviting door to another resource. Once you've typed out your text, the next step is to select it. This is crucial because you need to tell Figma, hey, this is the bit I want to turn into a link. You can do this by either clicking and dragging your mouse over the specific text, or if it's the only thing in the text box, simply click on the text layer itself in the Layers panel or right on the canvas. Selecting the right content is like laying the foundation for your link. Now look up to the top right corner of the Figma interface. You'll notice a chain link icon, which is the link tool. It's easy to miss if you're not looking for it, but it's right up there in your toolbar, usually next to some alignment and styling options. When you hover your cursor over it, it should say something like Insert Link. Go ahead and click on that icon. If you don't see it right away, give yourself a moment to scan the interface. Figma's UI can feel a little dense for beginners, but once you spot this feature, you'll be using it all the time. A small field will pop up prompting you to paste your link. Here, where you'll want to paste the URL you want your text to point to, maybe it's a Google Doc, another Figma page, or an external website. Just copy the link from your browser, come back to Figma, and paste it in the field. It's totally fine if you need to double-check the link before pasting. Accuracy here saves headaches later. After you've pasted your link, simply hit Enter or click anywhere outside the field to apply it. And that's it. Now, to make sure everything works perfectly, I always recommend giving it a quick test. Hover over your link text, you should notice the cursor change or a little underlined style appear. Click it, and Figma should open your link in a new browser tab. If it works, congrats, you just made your design a bit smarter and more interactive. If not, don't worry, just double-check the selection and the URL to try again. And there you have it, you've now got the know-how to add functional, clickable links right inside your Figma files. It's a small step, but it can make a huge difference in how you communicate and collaborate on your design work. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I always love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.